Hey guys, it's Marco and today I'm going to show you how to make a boomerang on Instagram using your camera roll. But before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first we want to open up Instagram account. Once we have opened our Instagram account, if you scroll to the left, as you can see you have an option here, boomerang. So you need to tap on the boomerang icon. And from there we want to go to our camera roll because you can see some of these pictures can be made to a boomerang. Did you see that I have this infinity sign? They can be remade into a boomerang. So if I click it, as you can see it's a boomerang now. So you have to click on the top side, the infinity sign. Now you also notice that some of these don't have the boomerang. That's because you need to have a live photo turned on, take a picture with it, and then that way you can have the boomerang on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.